Today, we're focusing on the letter J, where we'll dive into journal mapping. What is journal mapping? Journal mapping refers to the process of creating a visual representation of the steps your customers take from the moment they first encounter your brand until they become loyal advocates. It's a tool used to better understand the customer experience. Customer journal mapping helps businesses to visualize and analyze the entire customer experience from initial awareness through the post-purchase interactions. It maps out the key touch points and emotional triggers customers experience at each stage, helping brands identify areas for improvement and opportunities to engage customer satisfaction. Why is journal mapping important? Improve customer experience. By understanding your customer's journey, you can deliver personalized experiences at every stage. Targeted marketing. Journal maps help identify the best times and places to engage with customers, ensuring marketing efforts are aligned with their needs and their behaviors. Better decision making. Data-driven insights from journey mapping help marketers make more informed decisions about content, product offerings, and communication strategies. Stages a customer journal map. Awareness. A stage where a customer first learns about your product or your brand. Consideration. When the customer begins researching and comparing your offerings with other competitors. Decision, the point at which when the customer decides to purchase or take a desired action. Retention, after the purchase focuses on keeping the customer happy and engaged. Advocacy, when satisfied customers recommend your brand to others, becoming loyal advocates. How to create a customer journey map. Define your personas. Start by understanding your target audience and creating customer personas that reflect their needs, behaviors, and preferences. Identify touch points. List all the touch points, the website, the social media, the email, where customers interact with your brand during their journey. Map the stages. Visualize the steps customers take at each stage from discovery to the post-purchase. Analyze emotions. Identify emotional triggers throughout the journey, such as excitement, frustration, or satisfaction. Optimize. Use insights from the map to optimize the customer's experience, ensuring it's seamless, personalized, and impactful. The letter J, journal mapping, is a very good component and essential to understanding your customer and creating powerful marketing strategies. Journal mapping gives you insight into your customer's experience, and you need that. And you can ensure that your marketing efforts are relevant, engaging, and effective. Keep sprouting.